In this video, we will demonstrate the installation in a 2020 MDX. The main objective is to completely remove the glove box. All supported vehicles require the glove box to be completely removed. However, the exact steps may differ. Tools required: E8 Torx socket, 8mm bolt socket, Phillips head screwdriver, and the pry tool. First, unsnap the side panel with the pry tool. Unsnap the vent. Unsnap the trim. Remove the side console panel. Using the pry tool, unsnap the lower glove box panel and remove. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws on the top and side of the glove box. Next, using an 8mm bolt socket, remove the 3 bolt head screws below the glove box. Unsnap the glove box and remove. We need to access the back side of this module. To do so, remove the 2 E8 Torx head screws. Use a E8 Torx socket to remove the 2 screws from the bracket. You can position the module like this in order to have easier access to the connectors. Remove the 20-pin connector from the module and connect the T-harness in line. Remove the 36-pin connector from the module and connect the T-harness in line. Use the provided zip ties to secure the module. Installation is now complete. Please refer to the guide for programming instructions.